So I've just arrived back in the room after going out, and the time now is 3 p.m. So it's obviously after the housekeeping department have been through the room and rearranged what was actually quite a messy room when I left. So in terms of the glasses, they've been put neatly to the sides. The bottle is still there even though it's used, and all the handouts have been placed more neatly. So I left this plastic bag of items that's been put up against the wall. The charger has been more neatly arranged together with the extra camera lens. The jumper, which was I think left on the bedside, has been placed on the sofa. So going to the bathroom, all the towels have been neatly folded back as expected. Toiletries placed neatly on the side again. The bathrobe hung up neatly again. And all the toiletries in the shower placed in the original position, which is 3 there, 1 on each side of that triangle. Towel again has been folded neatly. So that's how the housekeeping have cleaned up or tidied the room. And basically now it looks quite neat, whereas previously it was quite messy after I left.